Alright, let's move that down. Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today we will be doing some Machine Rush Dash gameplay. Here I'll show you guys how to do Stereo Madness. Hopefully we can complete it. If not, it's okay. But I'll show you what the basic steps are. So you're gonna first come up with this basic spike. Very easy to jump past. All you do, if you're on PC, you just click. And for those sort of stairs you want to hold, so if you're on mobile, then you keep pressing down. If you're on controller, whatever you jump with, you just want to keep pressing down. This is just pretty basic. You just jump. Nothing too hard. Again, you can hold right here. Don't hold for too long because you might get hit by that spike. This comes up to where you need some serious flying skills. I have pretty basic flying skills. I'm not gonna say I'm fantastic at flying. I know I have the default icon on right now. That's because I was showing one of my previous videos all of the characters that I have, and I accidentally clicked on that one and I left it at that. This one you want to jump right there and jump again. Nothing too shabby. Watch out for these triple spikes that are about to come up. These can get people. Of course, the first triple spike is not as hard because you have timing and you can see it a lot earlier. And again, you can hold right here, and this part you want to really focus on. See, again, pay attention to those triple spikes because they can really get you. Okay, this is just when flying comes in handy, and this will be my second time completing it on PC, and you want to be very minor with that. And that is how you complete Stereo Madness, guys. So, flying skills definitely do come in handy. And so